Hello everyone, welcome to Varma's Knowledge Hub. Today I am ready with one more English topic. Are you all ready to join me? Let's go. Today I would like to discuss 4 most confused words during this pandemic situation. After this corona pandemic situation, our vocabulary has been changed. New words are added to our regular vocabulary. But sometimes they are misused. That means one used in place of another. Right word usage at right place makes you wise speaker in public. I would like to discuss the difference between the right word and the word which we wrongly use. The first one I would like to discuss is the difference between vaccination and treatment. Vaccination is something given to a healthy human being or any animal to fight against a disease, whereas treatment is given to the person who is already sick or suffering from the disease. He is given medicine so that the medicine can kill the microorganism which is existing in his body and he will get rid of that. But vaccination is totally different. Vaccination is given to a healthy human being so that there will not be any occurrence of that microbial activity in his body. I have seen some people saying that the vaccination for corona has come so that the patients of corona will be treated. It's wrong usage. Vaccination is not given to the corona infected people. It is given to the people who are not infected to corona disease. I think you use them in the right place and make correct sentences. The second one which I am going to deal with is the difference between quarantine and isolation. I heard many people saying that the corona infected person has been sent for quarantine. It is wrong. The people who are already infected with the disease, they are not sent for quarantine, they are sent for isolation. So home isolation is different from home quarantine. Quarantine is for the people who are not infected and there is a possibility of getting infected because some person or a group of people are existing in his locality. He is getting infected because of those people. Let us see the detailed explanation with an example. For example, in an apartment, a family is tested corona positive. That means that family people will be isolated from other people so that there won't be any possibility of spreading the disease to other people. At the same time, all other tenants or all other occupants of that apartment, they will go for quarantine. That means they are not suffering from the disease. There is a possibility of getting infected with the disease because they might have got some contact with the person who are already infected with the COVID. So next time when you use quarantine and isolation, use them wisely and place these words at the respective correct places. The third one I would like to discuss is the difference between empathy and sympathy. Both of them may look similar, but there is a difference between empathy and sympathy. Empathy is a strong feeling, whereas sympathy is not that strong. When we come across a corona patient, we must be empathetic towards them, not just sympathetic. So empathy means going to their place and experiencing the same pain and feeling. So sympathy is just showing a kind of pity towards them and using sweet words to soothe their pain. I guess corona infected people are the people who are suffering from corona disease. Nowadays, they need empathy, not just sympathy. The fourth and the last one I would like to discuss is the difference between epidemic and pandemic. COVID-19 is pandemic now, but initially it was epidemic. What is the difference between epidemic and pandemic? Epidemic means a contagious disease spreading from person to person at a given locality is called epidemic. That means epidemic disease is confined to certain area or certain locality. Whereas pandemic means if it crosses the boundaries of the country and if it goes beyond the control of the people who are living in that locality, then it is called pandemic. Now, COVID-19 is existing everywhere in the universe. That is, it spread all over the world. That is why it is called pandemic. On March 11th, WHO, World Health Organization, declared COVID-19 as pandemic because it crossed the boundaries of the country China and spread all over the world. Now it is pandemic. Earlier it was epidemic. I think you understand the difference between epidemic and pandemic. This is the small information I thought of sharing with you all and I made this video. Hope this helps you. I will be happy if you use the right word in the right place and improve your vocabulary and be a vigilant speaker in English language when you speak to any person, whoever you come across in your life. Thanks for watching. Thank you all. If you want to watch these kind of videos even in future, please subscribe Varbhas Knowledge Hub, and it motivates me to make more videos like this even in future. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, like, share with your friends and recommend your friends to subscribe my channel Varbhas Knowledge Hub. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all. Bye bye.